Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to check if your Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G is original. So first of all, you gotta open up your settings. Now scroll down to About Phone tab, and here you can get your IMEI, your serial number, model name, product name, and so on and so on. So choose your IMEI, copy it to your clipboard. Now let's open up our browser. Here in our browser, we're to search check IMEI, just like this. Now we've got this website. Let's open it up and let's enter our press consent. Now let's enter our copy IMEI and press check IMEI. Alright, we've got an information from the website about our device. So if this information matches your device, it means your phone is real and you can use it. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.